Good morning, everyone. This is Deb. How are you? I am here. Well, yesterday I got these 3 envelopes, another big envelope, and a big box. And the box is from Fire Mountain. I'll be doing that in a separate video. And the other big bag is from Auntie's Beads. So I'll be doing that in a separate video. But this is winnings and friend mail. Yay! Anyway, I won, I don't know, like 10th place or something. I don't know. Kathy's cards in her altered frame, she had added a few prizes at the end, things that she had made. And I was really excited because the very last one that she showed, my name got drawn. And I was tickled pink because it had birds on it, and I love birds. So I love how she did this too. It's like happy mail. How cute. So yeah, she's got a card here. Congrats on being a winner of one of my dominoes. Hope you like it. I'm sure, Kathy. I saw it was beautiful. And it is. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I've been wanting to alter dominoes, but I haven't been able to find my dominoes that I have here somewhere. But that's for another part of this video. Oh, how pretty. That's gorgeous, Kathy. Look at this cute bird. Oh, it's beautiful. And then she's got it on a doily. Oh, that's a good idea. I like how she did that. She made it into like a wall hanging. And she put gold glitter glue on the doily, and that matches the white with gold cording, I'll call it. I don't know what else. And then she's got that cording going around the side of the dominoes too. And I don't know if you painted them white or if they came white. Very nice. I like how you did that. And she's got a bail. The cord's going through a bail, which in one of those shipments, I should have some bails. That's one thing I didn't have many of, but that's a beautiful picture. Love it. I love it, Kathy. I was so excited to win that one in particular. So, yeah, thank you so much for adding the prizes and yeah, letting me have a chance at that. So that's gorgeous. Thank you. You do beautiful work. Actually, I'm going to just hang that right back here if I can. Get this out of the way. Let's move this here for now. Move that back. There we go. There we go. Okay. I won't be able to stay there because that's on my work mat, but I'll rearrange in a little while. Okay, so this next package, which got here really quick, is from Justine Stone. I think that's what it is here on YouTube, is Justine also. And, oh, sweetie, she actually granted a wish, and the wish was for dominoes. So how timely is that? Oh, look at this. She's got beautiful pink pineapples. I've never seen those. In like a glassy bag, which I'm trying not to tear. There we go. Here's where the washi is. Because I can repurpose that too. Alright. Beautiful. I love how you did that. And then she's got them wrapped again. These are perfect, Justine. Oop. I'm trying to escape. Here they are. So it says, hello, 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 hello. Yay, I have dominoes. Yay. I'm excited. I'm going to put them back in this little bag because they're trying to escape me. Thank you, Justine, so much. And then she sent me a goodie bag. Aww. Oh, you are such a sweetheart. They're appliques and things. I don't remember. Did I wish for them? I didn't remember you saying you could do them, but she's got a beautiful topper here, and then she's got washi going across with like daisies and things. Luckily, this opens at the bottom because I'm going to open it, and I didn't want to ruin the topper. Look at these beautiful trims. Look at this one, guys. Oh, so pretty. Justine, wow, thank you. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's all rose, like it's like the ribbon, but it's the whole piece is like the little white roses and stuff. How gorgeous is that? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And then this lace trim. I think I have seen this one. Very pretty. But you know, you can double them like this and have it go around a border. Like, anyway, just an idea. Very pretty. Ooh, look at this spring color one. Ooh, look at that. Look at the flowers. Ah, oh, so pretty. Where do you find this stuff? Look at that yellow flower and blue flowers and pink. It's gorgeous. And these, very pretty, like sunburst. Sunburst. Oh, and little tulle. Did you make these? I've seen somebody made tulle flower like things, but I can't remember who. Maybe it was you. That's really cute. And then they've got little sprays in there matching the tulle. So cute. Thank you so much. I've never seen one of those. I didn't remember that being on my list, but if it was, thank you so much. I do love trims, and appliques, and I don't have many appliques, so that is wonderful. And Justine, I know I said it would go out Monday, but it's going out today, which is Tuesday. I didn't get out of the house yesterday, A, because of the snow, and B, because I was deep in the middle of getting my taxes done, which are, first draft is done, state, federal and state, and I just didn't hit the submit because I'm paranoid, and I have to do a double check, you know, print and check and all that stuff, and then I'll probably do that when I get back today from meeting with the realtor at my mom's. A realtor. Okay, this next one comes from Joanne over at her YouTube channel is HappyMailSwapper. I think she's also on Instagram. And at the bottom here, they covered it up, but she's got, hang on, let's see if I can do this. She's got happy, 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 happy all the way, like a sticker there. So yeah, we did we agreed to do a spring themed pocket letter swap. Okay, so it says, hi Deb, thanks for swapping. Sorry I'm later than you were. Yeah, we were both a little late. Oh, something came out. Hang on. This one goes in here, I think. This probably goes in here too. Alright. Get it open. Let's put that back in. Okay. And let's see what's in here. Aww. Ooh, that's beautiful. I don't know if you know, but I have a thing for doors and windows. I really do. Look how beautiful this is. It's all embossed and it opens. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Oh, she mentioned about bandages, band-aids. My 5-year-old granddaughter is obsessed with band-aids. Just so you know, Joanne, you are not alone. Okay, these are rub-ons. I don't know that I've used rub-ons, but I'll give it a try. They're pretty cool ones. Look at the feather. That's really cool. And the rose and the butterfly. Be happy, sweetheart. Cool, thank you. I'll try it. Ooh, and a pretty napkin. Pretty. She must have seen that I like butterflies. So, cool. I will try them. I don't know if I know how to use them exactly, but I'll give them a shot. Okay. And this beautiful, like, glassine envelope. That's really a cool envelope. And she does like me. She puts sticky notes on so we can reuse. Okay, so to the pocket letter. Aww. Look, it says, friends, and it's got a little, like a pin. Or a, I don't know, it's a sticker thing. But it looks almost like a pin. And she's got the mailbox with the Easter grass. So that's cute. I like that Friends one. And that's a stamp, it looks like. You have to tell me where you got that stamp. I like that one. I like how it's whimsical. Seemed like such a good idea at the time. Oh, that's cool. And yep, this is great. And the birdies in the birdhouse. And they're bluebirds. And guess what? I had two bluebirds scouting out. I have two bluebird houses. And they were scouting out the bluebird houses. However, then my neighbor down the end of the street posted pictures of bluebirds, and she's got like a whole family, so I'm like jealous. She stole all my bluebirds. Oh, look at the little girl with the coffee cup and the donut. Oh my gosh. And you colored her in. You did so good. That is so cute. Look at her little skirt and boots. Oh, that's so cute. And here's a coffee cup over here to go with that she put together. You see, I have my coffee. Yeah. I have to keep it in one of these so it stays warm. Yeah, nothing like coffee in the morning. Look at that beautiful paper behind it, too. Gorgeous. And then over here, she's got washi, and she put the samples right around it. Good idea. Like that zigzag one, I like that. And the yellow is like flowers. It's a tone on tone. I haven't seen that. I haven't seen either one of them, actually. So thank you for those. Let me put that back in for now. And then down here, she's got love and joy in little flower pots on a really glittery gold background and some bling bling. And here a doily, and it says unique. Yeah, that's me. I'm unique, all right. When my daughter was a teenager, the words were more like weird and strange. You're weird and strange, Mom. And I'm like, thank you very much. Anyway, I think she gets it now. And then it's a beautiful day to start with a teapot. I also do love tea. And it's got a little donut sticker up there. So cute. I love these little butterflies. These Jolies or whatever they are. Aww. Oh, that's pretty ribbon. Okay, she gifted me some ribbon. I don't have this one. It's flowers and birdies. So cute. That'll make another... be cute in a pocket letter, actually. Used on the front. And then this seemed like such a good idea at the time. Is a stamp, I guess, because she's got it on tags. So that's really cool. Thank you. Yeah, that's kind of how my life goes. It seemed like a good idea at the time, and then years later it's like, why the heck did I ever do that? Oh, it's Thumper! And yes, I know it's Thumper from the, wasn't it Bambi? Isn't Thumper cute? And I have a little story to go with that too, which Joanne never heard, because I don't think I've ever told it. But when my son was younger and we lived in our other house, we had what's called a raised ranch at the time. It's like a, or some people call them a bi-level, where your main floor is up and then you have to go down like 2 flights of steps. When you come in the front door, you either have to go up or down, which I didn't like that part. But anyway, so, and down below our living area upstairs was a huge family room downstairs, which sort of became my daughter's room later. But anyway, when he was younger, and he's into video games, guys, he would sit on his, like, kneel on the floor and be playing these video games and moving, and his little feet in the back would go thump, 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 thump. So we kind of nicknamed him Thumper for a while, because if you were sitting downstairs when he was playing video games upstairs, all you would hear is this. And it was cute. But anyway, so yeah, we kind of called him Thumper for a while after Thumper and Bambi. Oh, she gifted me some little girls to color. I hope I can do them good. You guys have been gifting me some beautiful stamp things, images, and I really need to get stamping. She is adorable. I just love her. So cute with a little heart in her hair. So cute. Thank you so much. Alright, so I'm going to have to do a coloring video and hope that I can do it. And then this is the coffee cup to goes. Another one she pieced together for me. And some of the coffee blingy stickers. Thank you, thank you. I actually was just thinking about that last night, that I need to do a coffee and a tea theme swap soon. I'm getting antsy to do one. And of course summer. Ooh, Kai Spice tea. Yum, yum, yum. The Noir Kai Spice. Kai Spice black tea. Yum, yum. I will have that later today, after I get my coffee fix. I usually do coffee in the morning, like 2 of these or so. And then in the afternoon, I switch to tea most of the time. So yeah, yum, yum. And then she's got a die cut down here. Oops, I just lost my ribbon. 2 die cuts. And I lost the pocket. Ah! It's got a little basket. And it's got hearts on it, on the paper. And a bicycle. Cool. It's actually for a girl, too. Oh, boy. I have 2 bikes in my shed, and both have flat tires, and both are the old kind that I don't even think they have the, well, they might have brakes on the handlebars, I don't remember. And then in this pocket, the last pocket, she has Hello Love, and some lips. Save them for Valentine's Day, I guess, or some card, I don't know. Thank you so much, Joanne. Yes, I'm slow getting stuff mailed out. I have 2 or 3 things I have to get in the mail today. Justine's especially. Also one for Angie, and I can't remember her last name right now. And also one, oh shoot, oh, for a David V friend mail thing that is supposed to go out on Mondays, but no, it's going out today, Tuesday. And then I have some challenges I'm still working on, but today I'm going to be concentrating on getting my videos up. I have, like I said, those other haul videos. I may try and still do the Auntie's beads ones, and then when I come back later today, I'll do the Fire Mountain one, because it's a box, a big box. And it's not really beads too much. Yeah, amazing. Just so you all know, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads is having their $1, and some of them are like 77 cents. Their $1 sale, and it goes only till April 16th. So if you want to go check it out, they have flatback type acrylic cabochons and some glass pearl cabochons and some other stuff, charms and whatever. So you'll see what I picked out of their 470 pages of $1 items. Oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, I'll be back later on today with that. And also first, the Annie's Beads ones. And thank you so much, Kathy, for your beautiful work. I love the bird. So I'm so happy I won that one. I'm so happy I won. But that one actually does speak to me. So I'm so happy about that. And Joanne, thank you for your swap. I really appreciate your friendship. New friendship here on YouTube. Found through David V, actually. And Justine, you didn't have to give me so many extras, but I'm definitely excited to get the dominoes and the appliques and trims, because I can't wait to work with those and try and alter them. I don't know if I can do as well as Kathy did here, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and do it. So yeah, all right, guys, have a wonderful Tuesday, and I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye bye.